Strength is the sturdy trunk that allows a tree to stand firm against the wind. It is a sail of perseverance that enables a ship to cut through the waves. It is a solid foundation that keeps a building standing for 100 years without collapse. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the course, Foundation and Substructure. Construction. I'm your lecturer for today, Zhou Deiyu. When during construction, the soil layer is weak, the shallow soil bearing capacity at the construction site is low, the building is a high rise, the upper structure of an industrial building carries a large load, or the project is a special structure with strict requirements for deformation and stability, and it is impossible to use shallow foundations. Then it becomes necessary to consider ground improvement measures or to use deeper, stronger soil layers or rock strata as the bearing layer by adopting a deep foundation scheme. Today, we will be studying cast-in-place piles. You will need to master the types of cast-in-place and the methods of borehole formation. Become familiar with the construction process and the technical requirements of rotary drilled cast-in-place piles, as well as the quality control measures and acceptance standards. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define and classify cast-in-place piles and understand the characteristics and functions of board cast-in-place piles. First, let's look at the definition of cast-in-place piles. A cast-in-place pile is a pile formed by drilling a hole directly at the pile location, placing a reinforcing cage, and pouring concrete. Compared with precast piles, cast-in-place piles avoid the harmful effects of pile driving on nearby buildings. They have advantages such as material savings, low cost, independence from geological changes, and no need for pile splicing or cutting. Therefore, they are widely used and are showing a trend toward replacing precast piles. However, they require strict operational control, as even minor negligence can cause quality issues. They also require a certain curing period after construction before they can bear loads, and construction in winter can be difficult. Next, let's look at the classification of cast-in-place piles. According to different construction methods, they can be divided into board cast-in-place piles, driven pipe cast-in-place piles, blast formed cast-in-place piles, and manually excavated cast-in-place piles. The characteristics and functions of board cast-in-place piles are as follows. They are a type of cast-in-place pile constructed by first drilling a borehole with drilling equipment and then forming the pile. Due to their strong adaptability, simple construction operation, and relatively low equipment requirements, they are widely used in industrial buildings, high-rise structures, hydraulic and hydropower projects, as well as in the construction of bridges and docks. Depending on the specific conditions, board cast-in-place piles can be divided into dry construction piles and slurry-supported wet construction piles. That covers the definition, classification, and the characteristics and the functions of board cast-in-place piles. I hope you will continue to study the construction processes, quality control measures, and common problem-solving techniques for various types of cast-in-place piles in the upcoming lessons. That's all for today's class. Thank you for listening.